Hold it down. Hold up. Stay out. I want to smell here. In the house. L-Town niggas put it down. Throw up your set and put these niggas to the ground. Talking shit will get you covered, running up will get you popped. So thanks for niggas that can't hit a target, even if he's in a white tee or night tee. Yeah, I run my city, but the thing is I'm stationary. This town got me acting like a missionary. Persuaded niggas, Lawrence, we go hard. I ain't got to tell you about it. Just come see, we about it. My soldiers are mercenaries and no limits. Stay faithful, Lawrence, Kansas. And soon to come, the boundaries will be extraordinary. The orderly cops got a new payroll, so now we got unorderly 5-0. Good cop, bad cop, my town's non-stop. Now we got mad cops, cause my people go all day. I run this city, fuck Thompson's family. Lawrence, you attend to me, cheers to that with Hennessy. Lately, than usual is usual. Crack rock on every block, softer if you snort or not. Whether you push it or blow it, we got kush shit for days. Younger fools coming up with K's, KU's coming up with better plays. Colin still busting those J's, and you got this man. Big fan of Jayhawks, and you hear him say, I run my block.
Nigga, you killed it, nigga. You killed it.
That's what's up, right there.